Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. For today's video, I will show how delicious the mutton curry and mutton masbush rice, only here at Afghan Brothers Restaurant, Mathar Kadim, Doha, Qatar.
Akala ko tigi-isa.
Slowly, brother. Slowly. You're rushing. Brother, how are you? You can introduce your restaurant name, branch, and
He's
then.
vlogger.
So our restaurant is Afghan Brothers Restaurant.
Yes,
Here Qatar have now 10.
10 branch.
Yeah, 10.
Wow.
In Salwa, there is also Salwa, sir.
Salwa have
Midmark, roundabout. Najma.
Nazman County. Mathar Kadim,
Oh, Mathar Kadim, and then. Wakra.
Salar, Azizia, Maizar,
Oh,
Binuan.
Bin Umran. Afghan Brothers.
Yeah.
Afghan Brothers, huh?
Yes, yes. Afghan
Oh,
Brothers.
I like the food Afghan Brothers. Thank you, brother. Huh? You're from Afghan?
No, we come from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay, komunos eh. Oh, balo. Shukriya.
For you, all for you, okay?
We will, how can we have please?
Oh, brother, thank you, brother. Next time, brother. Just wait my ano.
What you will use that
Grabe, no?
for?
Oh, tinan mo. Naku. Favorite.
Namit in.
Ito, namin.
Wala, pag manok-manok yan, hindi ko yan maano appreciate. Pero pag mga ganito appreciate ko yan kasi ito yung bihira lang ito makakain sa mga ano eh.
Ito okra sa luna.
Wow, grabe. Di ba? Before, full pack
Who's the winner?
pa. After, wala na, ubos.
Taob ang mga bingga.
Grabe. Guys,
And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share. Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.